Hi guys, today we are making some cauliflower with peas and potatoes. To the pot, add in 1 onion together with chilies and curry leaves and garlic and let that fry. Once the onions have fried a bit, add in half a teaspoon each of crushed chili, turmeric powder, garam masala, as well as dhania and jeera powder. Add in about 1.5 tablespoons of mixed masala of your choice. Now add in a tomato and let it fry. Add in the cauliflower with the peas and the potato. As well as some salt to taste. A little bit of water. And some coriander. And let all of this cook together with the pot lid closed. Cauliflower all done.